Dear students, in this video we are going to see about these boiler mountings and accessories. So in the previous videos we have seen that what is a boiler and what are the types of boilers, and we have seen Lancashire boiler and Babcock Wilcox boiler, which is a fire tube boiler and water tube boiler. All the boilers are having that is the main thing is to produce a steam where high pressure is going to be created, and that boilers are designed for such a cases that here the boilers accessories and mountings are helpful for the improvement of the efficiency as well as the safety of the boiler. Okay, let me see one by one. The boiler mountings or the mountings or the water level indicator, the pressure gauge, safety valves, stop valve, blow cock and feed check valves are some boiler mountings which is mentioned here. The water level indicator, so by the name itself we come to know that it's indicating the water level in the boiler. Okay, so the how it will be helpful for maintaining this water level. Maintaining the water level is main important for the boiler. When if there is no water at all, then heat will be more and it will make a huge problem with this boilers, right? So crack will be there and explosion may be taking place. So in the level of water inside the boiler is very important. So continuous monitoring of the water is necessary. So this water level indicator will be helpful for checking at what level the water is there. So when the water is converted into steam, so that is very important. And second is the pressure gauge. So what do you mean by a gauge? Gauge is used for the measurement, and here pressure measurement device, it's a pressure measurement device. It's based it is working on the principle of Bourdon pressure gauge. It's type where a helical coil will be there. At the bottom there is a hole there which is fitted over the boiler drum. So through this, the pressure of the boiler, the pressure of the steam enters into this boiler tube, and the pressure gauge, the Bourdon tube, will extend because of this. So when the extension takes place on the high pressured steam, the pointer which is connected with this Bourdon will move to denote what is the pressure inside. So this will help us to know the designed pressure, how much it is to be maintained, and what is the pressure inside which is created for the continuous heat. Okay, so this gauge will be helpful for the knowing the how much pressure is inside the boiler. And moreover, there is one safety device, we call it as a safety valves. The pressure dead weight valve, or we can say as a spring loaded safety valve, to when there is a more pressure is created, this safety valve will take that is what it opens up and it allows the steam to move outward, so that the pressure inside of the boiler which is already created can be maintained in a proper level. So here the spring loaded or the deadweight valves or determined or set for a predetermined value, so that it will avoid the explosion of the boiler by maintaining the internal pressure. So when the pressure exceeds the designed one, so it will move upward and it allows the steam to move outward, so that it will be helpful for this reducing the pressure inside the boiler and maintaining that one. And another one, we can see this type of the mountings which is used for here, two safety valves normally present, and another one is stop valve which is used for steam flow. Okay, how we are going to use a valve for water to fill in this tank, like this here also steam stop valve is used for maintaining the flow of steam which is generated in the boiler drum. So because the steam we wants to bring it to the turbine for the power generation. So when the power generation when it is needed, we can open the steam top valve, and when if it is overloaded, if it is not required for the production of power, then we can stop it. So to control the flow of steam, we need a steam stop valve here, which is attached at the top of the boiler, and a blow off valve, we can say, which will be fitted at the bottom of the boiler, so to empty the boiler whenever it is required. So water is already filled and the water gets sediments, the scales, mud and other sediments will be there because of the impurities present in the water. So in due course of time, the boiler should be cleared with the help of this blow valve. It is open and you can remove these unwanted materials from that. And feed check valve is used for the regulating the water supply. So water level, already we know the water level indicator, it will show how much water is there in the boiler. So how to maintain the level, and if you want to increase more water, and if you want to control that water, then there is a feed check valve will be there. These are all the basic mountings which is used for that. And one more important mounting is a fusible plug. So the fusible plug, which is fitted at the crown plate of the furnace or firebox. So when there is huge amount of heat is there, when the water level get reduced, in case of if water level is reduced more, and this heat, to avoid this explosion of the boiler, this put off the fire, this fusible alloy which is there in the fusible plug, it gets melted and the water enters through the fusible plug and it will put off the fire, it will fall on the fire and it put off the fire, so that it will be helpful for reducing the sudden more fire. So fusible plug helpful for overheating, to avoid the overheating of the furnace. So these are all the basic mountings, and we have to see about the accessories. So accessories are used for the performance, improvement of the performance. Here we know the air preheater, superheater, economizer and feed pump. So air preheater is the one which is used to preheat the air. The air is normally used for burning the fuel. So where the fuel is getting burned, we want to supply the air. So if the air is a cold air, then it will take more time and more fuel consumption, smoke, all the things will come. So air preheater is used to preheat the air before going for the combustion process. So this will be helpful for preheating the air. And just like water, feed water, when we are going to use it, that is in case which is used for the preheating water, that we will see in the next slide. And superheater, which is used for heating the steam further and increasing the temperature of the steam, so that it will be improving the efficiency of the turbine also. And the economizer is the one which is going to preheat the water. So when water normally in a cold condition, if it is there filled in the drum, it will take more heat for it will take more fuel is needed for heating up this. But when feed water is somewhat, it is a heated one or preheated water, then it will, the efficiency will be more when compared to cold water heating, and this heated water warm water will be useful. Okay, so this economizer is kept in this whenever all these, or how we are going to use this, only the because of the flue gases. The what are the gases which is going outside of the chimney, that where we are keeping the economizer and air preheater, so that will use the hot flue gases which is leaving the chimney. So economizer improves the economy of the steam boilers, right, and preheaters also. So these are all called accessories. So in this video we have seen the mountings and accessories which are useful for the safety and the efficiency of the boiler. Okay, thank you. And next video we will see about a remaining portion of this.